Stature box break. Upper Deck Hockey 2022-23. It's a premium product. 8 cards in each box. 1 pack inside. Cracking open the box. It's an Upper Deck box. Shop local. It's the holiday season. Find your local hobby shop. Let's get rocking. Let's get something crazy in here, huh? We're inside the Channel 7 Sports Department. Cracking open a new box of this product, and here comes shooting out the side. There's the pack. I'm gonna show you first what we get inside here. Let's take a look and see if there's anything. All right, all the cards are the same thickness. Be gentle as we get going here. I see Beniers, I like that. Nick Suzuki, that's the base. Base cards are nice, thick card stock. Clayton Keller, National Team Development Program, played here in Plymouth, Michigan. Rookie, Lucas Reichel out of $3.99. Bowen Byram out of 66. Nice parallel. Oh, skipped one, sorry. Nick Perbix, rookie. That one's out of 66. Lowish numbered, right? Let's go. Another Bowen Byram. This one's out of 25. A couple of parallels out of 66. 2 Byrams. Scott Peronovich, on-card autograph, Stature out of 50. Matty Beniers, Wonder Kid. And I say that for our Ted Lasso friends. The Wonder Kid. Stature Hockey, box break. There you have it.